Welcome to Church Media Production. I'm Andrew, and today we are going to go over how to add a second camera for your chroma key on the Atem Studio HD. And this should work across all of the Atem's products because they all use the same exact software. So let's get started. Okay, so to start, go up to the toolbar, open up macros, hit the plus under record, name the camera whatever you want to name it. We're going to call it camera 1, and then you'll immediately be in the recording mode. So then we're going to come over to the chroma, and we're going to select our camera that we want to use. This is going to be the main one. And then any of your settings here, I would adjust them by 1 point, so that way no matter what you do anywhere else, it keeps it. And then turn off any settings you don't want. But anything, only the stuff that you actually change is what will be changed. And then of course your green screen settings here are going to be whatever you want to be. I mean, we're just using a chair on a green screen, so the mesh doesn't ever look quite right, but if it's a person, it's best to have someone standing there. Okay, and then when you're done, you hit record to stop it, and then we're going to go ahead and click it again, and then we're going to make camera 2. And then we'll hit record again, and then we're going to do the same thing now. So we're going to select camera 2, which is actually plugged into camera 3, and it is an iPad that we just have sitting there for testing purposes. And then to crop out like the black bars, we're going to turn the mask on, and then that we're basically adjusting so that way it crops it out and fits perfectly. And then the flying key, we're turning that on so we can move it down, and then we're going to go ahead and adjust all the settings once more. And then once you're done with that, as long as you like how everything looks, you can go ahead and hit it again. And then if you come over to run, you can hit camera 1, it'll switch it. And then when you hit camera 2, it'll switch it again. And then you can just keep jumping between them whenever you want to switch from camera to camera. And that's pretty much all you have to do to get it working. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give us a like, hit the subscribe button followed by the bell icon, leave us a comment down below on any questions you have, and we will see you next time.